My youth, what may you say go on with?
What?
Eh?
With what?
When you say with what?
With what, me general? Me don't know nothing what you talk about. You just come here and talk about see you. What me do? Explain yourself right now. Me not understand.
Yo, me in a little pity business with you, you know. And you know, see me and my woman saying, and you come walk on the place and I come advertise me a gallus and this and that because girl them like me, yeah. But yo, me and my woman brethren, and me a try to make it work. A long time we a try get it settled, you know. And you come advertise certain things, eh? What problem?
No, man. You get some bad to us. You just go accuse me. Me, I can tell people say you're gallus. I'm from the see no gallus. Eh? You're one burner, man. Who could have called me name? Look at my face good. My face look like somebody I walk and watch people. General, come clean, man. Come clean. Look how long me know you. Me don't know you're no gallus. Probably me might see you 6, 7, 8 gal long the road. Me don't call that gallus.
Yo,
a boy
Upper
thing
Kerry
that.
me I come from, you know. Upper Kerry yard, me walk, me 2 foot them come from up there. And that's where I come from right now. Kerry tell me, say, you, I know you name Popeye, eh? Popeye, I chat all these things I talk about me, eh? Brother, me no depend where you depend, you know. Me no depend where you depend. Guess what you gotta do? You have to go clear it out with Kerry.
Well, I know, me general. See where you gone wrong now? Remember say no, I know me alone name Popeye, you know. The whole universe have Popeye in the area you go, you have a Popeye. So, to me, you know I can't tell nobody say you're a gallus. Because you're a girl clone. You're a real girl clone.
Oh, you call girl clone, you know me? Yo, I'll show me that one. Do something here. Yo, who you call girl clone?
Where you do? Put it down. You can't even beat your woman and me or beat. You're a real girl clone, youth. You're a girl clone. You better go on, man. Yeah, man.
You go on, yeah? Go and try your clit. Because you're chocolate. Me a girl clone and you're chocolate. It's alright. Everything good.
You have to test it before you try. On this third man, palm and chocolate there.
By the time, clean up the place, yeah.
Mix them up in a star. Yo, I chew, yo. Kerry!
Oi!
Papa,
But there.
you know where Papa may I come from?
Yeah?
Yeah, man, Papa may I come from right now.
What go on?
He might tell me what I go on. You know what I mean? Because me have to check him. You know, regardless of telling me what I go on, me have to link him still and find out the nitty-gritty because me can't bother to mix up.
Youth, you really go for Papa after me tell you that? I can't believe you do this. I not rate you, my G. I can't trust you again. I not rate what you do, swear. That means that anything I'm tell you, I go back to
I can't take it mix up. I have to go down there and talk to him. What you expect me to do? I'm just ease myself. I'm a woman, me I talk about, you know. At the end of the day, it's like, me know, say, you know, you tell me that confidence and I respect that as a virgin. But guess what now? I have to find out because who know go sit down and just wait. What me go do? Me have to check Papa if I see really what I go on. You tell me that yes. Me sorry for telling him still
Okay. And you mix up your this. So you think me name now follow you? Eh? You think me name now follow you? You! What you call up me name for? You lady, yes, you!
Me?
You! And him. I come on, they come talk about me, I watch him. But me I tell people boy my girl is when man a girl is a girl clone. Me and you know no association.
Hey. Are you follow me? You want me shadow? You me shadow? Hey, don't follow me, man. We are talking about how me so me do. You me shadow? You come walk up behind me every time. Yo, you look at this shit with me. Yo, me lick you long enough by you. Me want to lose blue man, you know. You see me lose blue man? Me want to lose blue man. You think I'm afraid of you? Just wait. Me want to see you.
Hold me.
Oi, easy yourself, man.
Come on, Come on, see how you. Just wait. Me want to see you on the road.
Listen, you see, as long as you don't live, don't call back me name. Me know what people business. Me tell already people business jump on me foot. And once it jump on me foot, it they go kick. So top. You see how you...
Step out that place.
What?
You.
Oi, easy yourself. What you used to call up your name with?
You tell him more me I call up this a rent a jed. Not me yam that's a rent like him. And I can talk about me say him a gyalis. When me know say him a gyal clown already. Which part you hear me tell us say him a gyalis?
When you come here yesterday, you never tell me say you see Kemar down so with Wally pa woman. Tell me say you never say so.
Me see him, but you know, listen what me did say yesterday. Me say, Kemar is a man not to carry out, go anywhere. You have to put the man there aside because when the man they go nowhere, me can't get no girl because I'm a girl fool. Me never say my girl is girl fool. And you can't tell the man, oh, me I walk up and tell him my girl is.
So Kemar, you did really upside one if a girl?
Yes, you know what I mean? It was one of them night there, you know what I mean?
One of them
On
night
my birthday.
One of them night.
On my birthday, man. You know me have, birthday. But yo, love my business alone. Yes, sir.
That's about
Love
business.
my business. Simple as that.
I know
Yo,
one birthday it was just a gigolo.
yo, you see how you
fool
love my
to
business, you
Calm
know?
down, little man. Una calm down, the man. Una ease in yourself.
On my birthday.
Una ease in yourself. It was just a misunderstanding, man. But here what? No need to prolong this no more. Just go on up your yard and you come out. Because I need to do some things right now.
Yo, make him go on first. Make him go on.
Yeah,
Go on, come out that place first. Because me don't want to pass him. Yo, come on, yo, see how you
Go on
do.
your house. Go
Go
to my house, man. Go on.
You come like a grass. Go ahead, get everywhere. See how you? Go ahead, man. Well, I'm brother.
I want over there, so. Me here chatting and cussing and sitting. Now I want over there.
Now, go on, man. Just be, my brethren will link up over there so we are talk about, who forget the partner draw and all these things. You know what I mean? But, sometimes we have some little heated conversation. But me I say, I come link you,
Calling me? What you mean calling me?
I mean, I come link you, yes, get a link, cause we can do some of them something, Dugu. No. What you say?
What? Hey boy, I two people there make me not send you up on the hey, move out of my doorway, man, and go along by your business. Send you to the fence if you lick you down too. Come out of my doorway, man.
No to violence. No to violence.
What, oh, me?
No to violence.
Right. Boy, I come talk, boy, I come check me, check who you're bright.
Yeah, girl, party did nice last night, you know? Yeah, remember some go out on the head top.
Excuse me, princess. Let me
Wait, somebody talk to me, soon call you back here. Yeah, we can go out later again, alright, later. Yeah.
You see, I walk by and me happy, just even though I see her up on your phone and think I don't want to be rude, you know what I mean, if I say I'm willing to, you know what I mean, talk to you in such a way where, we can take it to a different level if possible. Because I guess a girl like you, I know so you must have a boyfriend to tell you how special you are every day. You know what I mean? Because them lips, I know so I'm telling you
Hello,
this.
if you are going to tell me say you like me, just say it straight out. We are grown so much kind of for. But anyways, I have my man.
Okay, I understand what you said, but that means that me can come on.
Until boy, until.
You mean?
You hear me say me have my
So
man?
hold on. Come on. Alright, when I outside, you did there look at the girl, I know you come and look this a girl. You one dirty dog. That means I never like Papa did that.
So you did just run there so I look one girl and you come out here and look me?
You see a dog that.
Come here, you.
From you hear the voice and you see the face, you know who it is. Richard Brown already. Alright? So, if it's your first time to the channel, it simply means that you have not subscribed as yet. So please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified when we upload brand new content. Because you don't know, we are grow and we need your support. So please subscribe.
Hi.
So welcome to the channel. Subscribe, make sure someone hit the post notification bell so you don't miss a post. The experience from me come down here in Negril and left out of Portland, it is great because I'm still there. I learned enough something. I never know if I turn on one camera, now me I shoot. I never know if I edit, now me I edit. And that is a big thank you to Richard Brown, Imana G. Big up yourself, Richie.
All me see I take up some girl we are run them, me not run them down. It's what me they do. Me I try if you know how to chocolate.
No, no. Where's I try for chocolate?
I try chocolate. I'm fine when you want to go, me understand. No problem. Let's go.
Alright. Alright, bye. Action.
You talk about lucky she hold it. You're lucky she hold me. No, but you didn't touch me.
No, wait. You must have a boyfriend to tell you how special you are every day. You know what I mean? Because them lips, you know, them tell every day, say, you know, them. Me can't say suckable. Can I say suckable?